Hi all, this will be a short one. This is Airthings Radon gas radon meter, that if you're living in a low height apartment, you might have radon gas from the bottom or from the ground that is coming up, and this is not a good thing. So this is the method to check it. A very expensive one of Airthings. I think this is American company, and as you can see, it's not working. I've used it few times and it looks like it has a problem, and I want to show you, after reading all the specs and everything, that the batteries inside are perfectly good. Basically, I put new batteries. I've done all the reset. I will show you there is a reset button here that you press for a few seconds, and then it is doing the reset, battery calibration, and you're waiting. It's not seconds because it is going faster than seconds, and then it is starting to measure, but it is look like it is in a loop. You can see that I still have the protective sheet on the LCD. Yeah, but you can see that it is now blinking, so it is basically not working because it should start from 0 after a few minutes. I've tested it more than one day. And I will show you that the batteries are okay. I put brand new batteries. Basically, all the batteries are brand new. I will show you the voltage. So first battery. Just a second, I have a contact problem. 1.59. Second battery 1.58, third battery 1.59. So basically all the batteries are very brand new. And again, I will try to put batteries back. I'm talking about expensive, so this meter is, the cost of it is about near $300. So it's a very good one that's supposed to work. Maybe I will press the mode while it is going up. There is also a mode button. It is not doing yet anything because it is still coming up in the calibration process. You can see day 0. Long-term average, it is blinking. I will put it again till tomorrow, but I'm sure that you see, it is now turning from 0 to day 1. So you see, it's not 24 hours yet, and it is blinking, which means it is defective. Defective after few tries of using it. I've used it for about a few months, but yeah, it is dead. You pay so much, and this is what you get after few uses. It is not working anymore. So that's what I want to share. Thank you and bye.